In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the visual layout tool in Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get into Gemini, craft effective prompts, and access the visual layout option if it's available on your plan. First, open your Gemini account. Head to the Gemini website or app and sign in. Make sure you're using a modern browser and you're connected to a reliable network so everything loads quickly. Once you're in, you'll see the main chat area where you can start interacting with Gemini. Next, enter your prompts, the questions or tasks you want Gemini to answer. Be as clear and specific as possible. A strong prompt helps Gemini understand not just the topic, but also the context, the audience, and the outcome you want. If you're aiming for a structured result, say so directly in your prompt. Mention the kind of layout you prefer, the sections you need, and any constraints like length or tone. For example, you might ask for an overview, followed by key points, then a short conclusion. The more guidance you include, the more the response will match your expectations. You can also iterate, submit a prompt, review the output, then refine your instructions to get closer to your ideal layout. Now click Tools and then select Visual Layout. This is the feature that helps organize the response into a clearer, more polished structure. On some accounts, especially if you're not on a pro plan, you may not see visual layout in the Tools menu. If it's not visible, that simply means the option isn't enabled for your plan. If you do have access, open it and explore how it arranges content. Use it to highlight headings, separate sections, and improve readability. You can experiment by adjusting your original prompt to emphasize hierarchy, like asking for numbered sections, short summaries at the top, or callouts for important information. Visual layout works best when your prompt already suggests a structure. Think of it as a finishing layer that makes the content easier to scan and present. If visual layout isn't available on your side, you can still guide Gemini to produce a clean structure by describing the sections and format you want directly in your prompt. That way, even without the tool, your output stays organized and ready to share. And that's it. Open your Gemini account, enter clear prompts, and, if your plan includes it, use tools and visual layout to polish the structure. Keep refining your prompts and you'll see steady improvements in both clarity and presentation.